Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about whether or not you are proactively making your own choices when it comes to content marketing, or if you are reactive, trying to copy other people. And I think this is a really important topic because I see a lot of people around me who are quite unsure about themselves and what's the right thing to do. What I always see happening is when some hot brand new topic comes along and they are looking around what's happening around them and it's still like, oh, this friend of mine is posting about this friend of mine is posting about it. All the other people are posting about it, and then they feel the need to copy that, even though that topic might be not really fitting into their content strategy, even though they might not share the opinion or it might not fit in any way with their personality, but they feel kind of pressured because they see everyone around them doing it. And I think that's really problematic. It's very easy to fall into this trap of feeling you are a slave to your surroundings. Like you have to always repeat and copy what everyone else around you is doing. Like you're missing out on something if you don't. And that's really not the point. The point is you're setting up your content strategy for a reason. You have a certain number of topics that you want to get across. You have a certain strategy around how you're structuring your content, and you're having a long-term plan how you want to convince people of certain truths. So in order for them to come to the conclusion that something that you have to offer, whether it being a service or a product, is the right thing for them to buy. Now, if you are always looking around what everyone else is doing, like what is your competitor doing, what are some of your friends doing, what are like your family doing, you're not sticking to the plan. The plan is there for a reason. If you follow the plan and the plan has a structure and has a mechanism of work, then you don't want to interrupt the plan. You don't want to break it before it has starting to run. It's kind of like you're starting to walk, you're taking your first steps, you stumble, you're picking up speed, you're starting to walk faster, and then you are hitting over to running and doing the sprint of your lifetime. Instead of what you would do otherwise, you start to stumble, then you stop, you're looking around, what's happening. Someone is like doing something else, you're like, maybe I should walk backwards, I should turn to the right, and then you're like stopping and you're walking in a different direction, and then someone else is doing something else like happening around you. Some news is taking over, you're getting distracted, and you're walking to the left, you're walking to the right, you're standing in the middle, don't know what to do, you're walking backwards. Instead of sticking to your plan, trusting your process and going for what you want. Now let me know in the comments below what you think about like sticking to your plan versus being reactive, what is going on around you, what do you think is more important, to keep up to date, to try to be at the pulse of time, or to really focus on your long-term content strategy. Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to get more videos about marketing that really works, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.